Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redirect domain on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner so that you can continue with Google, you can continue with your business or working email, or you know what, just click on the more options here so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, redirecting a domain on Squarespace is a common task, especially if you have recently changed your domain name or if you have multiple domain names pointing to the same website. Now, the thing is, we just wanted to make a quick clarification that there's a difference between 301 redirect and 302 in Squarespace. Now, we have a separate video on how to do the 301 redirect, but basically a 301 redirect is a permanent redirect. It informs search engines and web browsers that the original URL has permanently moved to a new location. Now, this is commonly used when you have permanently changed the URL of a page or when you're consolidating multiple pages into one. Now, about the 302 redirect, it is basically a temporary redirect. It indicates to search engines and web browsers that the original URL has temporarily moved to a different location, but the change is not permanent. Now, it typically is used when you're making temporary changes to a website or testing a new page. Now, unlike a 301 redirect, a 302 redirect does not transfer SEO value from the original URL to the new one. Now, search engines will continue to index and rank the URL original of it. Now, to do that, then the first thing we need to do is go to our main dashboard. Now, from here, all you're going to do is go to the developer tools, which is in the settings of your dashboard, and obviously click on the URL mappings, because from here we can create internal and external URL redirects, and obviously that's going to be a 302. Now, you can type any of this thing right here. Now, from here, all you're going to do is just put in the URL that we are going to remap. Say, for example, this one, it's going to be a 2024, and it's around right, and an arrow here, plus paste the. Now, below that, you need to put the URL that you wanted to have it redirected. Say, for example, it's going to be on this specific site. And from here, you need to remember the redirect type. Now, again, we have a separate video on the 301 redirects, wherein you can just go to our channel and watch that. But in this video, we are going to use the 302, which is a temporary redirect. Now, it indicates again to search engines and web browsers that the original URL has temporarily moved to a different location, which is going to be this one. Right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.